Hello and welcome to the channel. I am ThatRoni, and today we have another patron request. Peter, thank you so much for today's suggestion. We're gonna dive into Nightwish, 7 Days to the Wolves. Let's jump right into it. Light the fire of fears. Chase the ghost near. Take the road less traveled. Take the city of fools. Dark power clouds. 7 days to the walls. Where will we be when they come? 7 days to the poison and a place in heaven. Time growing near as they come to take us out. 7 days to the wolves, 7 days to the wolves. Where will we be when they come? 7 days to the poison and a place in heaven. Time growing near as they come to take us. Heroes, cowards, Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, thank you, Peter, for this. That was awesome. I really like that Nightwish has this complexity to their song. Like, it's not just the verse and then the chorus. There's a verse and then there's a transition, a chorus, another transition, and then we're going to the second verse, or like the structure is a little different. It changes a lot more, which is really cool. It's almost like listening to two different songs in one, and it's always filled with this orchestra and this power. There's a lot of power, and it's almost always triggers some sort of cinematic universe in my brain that just bursts out, and I keep imagining, like right now I imagine a hero with the cape and swords and fight, and an epic fight. It kind of connected really interesting with the question, will 7 days to the wolves, will they come? Will the poison, 7 days to the poison? I couldn't pick up on all the lyrics, I'm sorry, but they're usual with me. And I never really understand the meaning of their songs, but they make me feel a certain way. There's something about their songs that always triggers some sort of an emotion, and this time it was more of a epic, and I'm ready to fight, even though my chances are probably low, and also me, I'm not really a fighter, so you know, they always make me feel epic and strong, and it's always fun to feel like a superhero. I don't know what else to say honestly about this. I enjoyed it. It was epic. It was complex. What about you guys? What do you think about it? Did you like it? Is it one of your favorites? Is it like meh? Because I don't know where to put it on my favorite Nightwish. I really liked Ghost River. That was freaking awesome. But on that note, I want to thank you again for suggesting this lovely suggestion, and thank you patrons for being so freaking awesome, being my swords in this epic battle. What am I saying? Anyway, thank you, subscribers, likers, dislikers, commenters, sharers, people who show up and say hi. Thank you so very much for being here. I appreciate you, and please go visit Nightwish's channel. I'll put all the links in the description below, per usual. And I'll see you in the next one. Mwah. I'm gonna go fight some demons or zombies or wolves. The wolves are good though, right? The wolves are good. I think the wolves are good. Okay.